On expansive ranches, Red Brahman bulls are raised for premium hide production. Only the finest mature bulls are chosen for their superior leather quality. The journey begins far from the factory floor. Rigorous inspection ensures only the highest quality hides move forward. The hides are harvested with precision to preserve their strength and texture. Each hide is carefully removed and prepared for initial curing. The premium hides now begin their journey from ranch to the mega leather factory. The carefully preserved Red Brahman hides begin their journey to the mega processing facility.
Premium hides travel under controlled conditions to maintain their quality.
Arrival at the state-of-the-art facility where raw hides become luxury materials. Upon arrival, the hides are immediately prepared for factory intake.
Watch your clearance on the left, Emma.
The hides are transferred inside for the first factory processing stages.
Initial inspection and intake complete, the transformation process begins. From ranch to factory floor, the Red Brahman leather journey continues. Welcome to the state-of-the-art facility, where raw hides are transformed. Raw materials cross the threshold into the core processing areas. Hides enter the first dedicated processing department. The journey from ranch to finished leather accelerates inside these walls. Skilled workers ensure every hide receives immediate attention.
Monitor the flow rate on the far side.
Initial cleaning removes salt and impurities before full sorting. Careful scraping prepares the hide for deeper cleaning stages.
Each hide is carefully graded for its suitability in premium applications.
Hides enter controlled soaking to loosen remaining proteins and hair. Unhairing reveals the true quality of the Brahman hide.
Final rinsing ensures purity before core processing begins.
Cleaned and sorted hides are now ready for the main transformation. The hides now enter the critical tanning stage that transforms them into durable leather. Controlled tanning stabilizes the collagen fibers for long-lasting strength. Tanned hides are removed and prepared for further stabilization. Neutralization removes excess chemicals and prepares the leather for drying. Excess moisture is mechanically removed to begin the drying process. Hides are hung and enter controlled drying to achieve proper moisture levels.
The core tanning and drying stages are complete, and the leather is now stable.
Selected hides now receive deep, rich dyeing for a premium aesthetic finish.
Controlled dyeing penetrates deeply for long-lasting, uniform color.
Excess dye is rinsed away while locking in the deep, luxurious color. Fat liquoring restores natural oils, making the leather flexible and durable. The leather has now been fully transformed into high-grade material, ready for finishing. Advanced automation now grades every sheet for consistent premium quality. Computer-controlled systems cut patterns with minimal waste for maximum efficiency. Robotic systems apply precise texture patterns suitable for luxury airline seating. Laser technology applies permanent identification for traceability.
Automation ensures clean, durable edges on every leather component.
Every panel undergoes rigorous automated quality verification. High-tech automation completes, now moving to precision hand finishing. Skilled artisans now perform precision hand finishing on every panel. Conditioning enhances the natural beauty and durability of the leather. Strategic perforations are added for comfort and premium design requirements. Hand finishing brings the leather to its highest possible standard. Meticulous color matching guarantees flawless appearance in final products.
Advanced protective coatings ensure long-term performance in demanding airline environments.
The precision-finished leather now enters rigorous quality control and testing.
Every leather panel undergoes strict visual quality control.
Scientific instruments verify thickness and structural strength. Climate testing verifies the leather will maintain shape in all conditions.
Advanced testing confirms chemical and fire resistance standards.
Rigorous abrasion testing ensures long-term durability for daily airline use. Only leather meeting the highest standards receives final approval.
Color fastness testing ensures the rich finish lasts for years.
Finished premium leather is carefully protected for shipment.
Pallets are prepared with care for safe transport to customers.
Completed leather is stored under optimal conditions until dispatch.
Orders are precisely picked and prepared for final dispatch. The finished leather begins its journey to airline manufacturing partner. Premium Red Brahman leather leaves the factory ready for luxury airline seats.
And this is how modern factories produce luxury airline seat leather from Red Brahman bull hides, start to finish.